Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your personal branding with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your personal brand. Understand what makes you unique in your field. Identify your target audience on LinkedIn. Craft a compelling headline that reflects your expertise. Use a professional profile picture that aligns with your brand. Write a concise summary highlighting your skills and experiences. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve your discoverability. Showcase your work through featured posts or media. Regularly update your work experience to reflect your current role. Ask for recommendations from colleagues and clients. Engage with your network by liking and commenting on their posts. Join industry-related groups to expand your reach. Share valuable content that resonates with your audience. Write articles to position yourself as a thought leader. Connect with influencers in your industry to broaden your network. Use LinkedIn Analytics to track engagement and adjust your strategy. Attend webinars and events to build your presence. Continuously learn and adapt your brand based on feedback. Be authentic and consistent in your messaging. Stay active and maintain a regular posting schedule. Monitor your brand's perception and adjust as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.